Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about IVD Medical Interim Report. IVD Medical Holding Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services, including distribution business, distributing in vitro diagnostic, IVD, products internationally after-sales services, providing maintenance, repair, installation, and end customer training services for IVD analyzers and reagents self-branded products business, researching, developing, manufacturing, and selling IVD analyzers and reagent solution services, offering solution services to the clinical laboratories of hospitals' hemostasis products, providing hemostasis products for various testing categories, point-of-care testing. Offering point-of-care testing solutions, the company also provides other consumables such as reagents, IVD analyzers, other consumables for various IVD testing categories. The stock price surge of IVD Medical, a new era for the company in the past year. IVD Medical Holding HKG 1931 has witnessed a remarkable surge in its stock price, increasing by over 336%, with some reports indicating gains exceeding 700%. This significant rise can be attributed to several strategic announcements and actions undertaken by the company. The key drivers behind this surge include the company's foray into Web3, blockchain, and real-world asset (RWA) tokenization within the medical and financial sectors. IVD Medical's bold moves have reshaped its market perception, positioning it as a leader in the capital markets. The strategic cooperation with BGI Co-Win, dual primary listing in the U.S., high-level stock repurchases, new brand logo release, acquisition of GoFintech Quantum stake, investment in Ethereum, and launch of ETHK Ecosystem Vision have all contributed to this remarkable growth. These aggressive strategic pivots into Web3 and blockchain technologies have not only boosted investor confidence, but also signaled a new era for the company. As IVD Medical continues to innovate and expand its presence in these emerging sectors, it is likely that its stock price will continue to rise, making it an attractive investment opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the growth of Web3 and blockchain technologies. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline in the company's financial performance are largely driven by market demand and product sales. Revenue decline is primarily attributed to a decrease in market demand, resulting in a 6.2% decline in revenue compared to the corresponding period. This decline was also reflected in the distribution business segment, which saw a 6.1% drop. Additionally, solution services revenue decreased by 7.3%. On the other hand, there are some areas that showed growth. The IVD analyzers distribution business experienced a significant increase of 29.7%, while self-branded products business saw an impressive rise of 82.7%. After-sales services also grew by 7.1%. These pockets of growth indicate potential opportunities for future revenue expansion. Net income for the period decreased by a staggering 70% compared to the same period in 2024, with net profit margins plummeting from 9.4% to 3%. This significant decline can be attributed to several factors. A key contributor was the decrease in revenue, which led to lower gross profits and subsequently reduced net income. Additionally, the company's gross profit margin decreased from 24% to 22%, further exacerbating the decline in net income. Administrative expenses also increased due to higher labor costs, while selling and distribution expenses rose, adding to the financial strain. The decrease in revenue and gross profit margins had a ripple effect across various business segments, with some experiencing more pronounced declines than others. Overall, the company's net income and profit margins suffered significantly, resulting from a combination of decreased revenue, reduced gross profits, increased administrative expenses, and higher selling and distribution costs. The company has experienced a significant increase in its debt level and corresponding interest expenses. The data shows that the company's interest-bearing bank borrowings rose by RMB 932,498 from December 2024 to June 2025, reaching RMB 1,665,064. This substantial increase is accompanied by a notable rise in interest paid, which jumped from RMB 011,629 in 2024 to RMB 021,760 in 2025. These changes indicate that the company's financial obligations have grown substantially over this period. The company's financial performance reveals a concerning trend in one of its key segments. The distribution business, which accounts for a significant portion of the company's operations, has underperformed in recent times. Specifically, revenue declined by 6.2%, while profit plummeted by an alarming 70%. These dismal numbers indicate that the distribution business is struggling to maintain its competitiveness and efficiency, posing a challenge to the company's overall growth prospects. The company has a history of paying dividends. Although there was no dividend payment in the current year, it paid out $76,762 in 2024. This indicates that the company prioritizes returning value to its shareholders through dividend payments. Concerns about inventory buildup and supply chain disruption are evident in the financial summary. A decrease in distribution business for IVD reagents and other consumables, 8.8%, on page 18 indicates a potential issue. Additionally, a decline in distributors, minus 6.7% sales, and an increase in logistics providers on page 19 suggest a shift in supply chain dynamics. Furthermore, pages 21-23 highlight decreases in sales for IVD reagents and other consumables, along with a decrease in gross profit margin, 16.2% for distribution business and 20.2% for self-branded products business. The increase in cost of sales and decrease in gross profit from 2024 to 2025 on page 31 also raises concerns. The overall trend suggests that the company may be experiencing inventory buildup or supply chain disruption, which could impact its financial performance. That concludes the financial summary for IVD Medical. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.